Okay, greetings. Now, this is the Dubai map. It shows the Palm Jebel Ali, Palm Jumeirah, and the World Island, and the Palm Dera, which was going to come up here. This is the creek. This is old Dubai Dera, Dubai airport, existing airport, and this is Bar Dubai. Now, we have Sheikh Zayed Road going straight all the way to Palm and Jebel Ali. This is Jebel Ali port, and we also have Emirates Road going like this to Abu Dhabi. Now the freehold developments are either on the Emirates Road or on the Sheikh Zayed Road. Now the popular freehold developments are Burj Khalifa, which is here. I will just zoom into that. This is Burj Khalifa here. This is Burj Khalifa. This is Business Bay. So this is Burj Khalifa, and this is called downtown. So you have apartments in these buildings, which overlook the fountain. This is the musical fountain, which is popular, and this whole area is called downtown area. Now I will zoom out from here again, and we will go across Emirates Road. On Emirates Road, this is the Emirates Road. On Emirates Road we have International City. We have International City, and we have Silicon Oasis. I'll just zoom into Silicon Oasis. These are all freehold developments. This is Jumeirah Village Circle. This is the Emirates Road. Now I just start from the beginning here. This is the International City, Dragon Mart, etc. Then we have Silicon Oasis. This is also a free zone area, freehold area. You have offices as well as residential buildings here. Then we have Falcon City of Towers. This is, you can see the falcon shape coming up. It's slowly coming up. Now this is the villa project. These three circles which you see. Mr. Jawar has a plot here. Sudarshan also has a plot here. This is the area where you can own a piece of land and construct your own villas. If you zoom into this, you can see the development which has come up. All these villas are ready, and there are plots along this road. Here nothing is ready, but you can see on this side lot of villas are already constructed, and lot of construction is going on. This picture is from 2011, so a lot of things have happened after that. Okay, moving ahead on the Emirates Road, you come across this is Arabian Ranches. This is Global Village. Then we have Motor City, the tracks. Then we have Sports City, the golf course and Sports City, and we also have Jumeirah Golf Estate. Now all these are freehold developments, but they are quite far away from the Sheikh Zayed Road and the sea. This is Jumeirah Village Circle. This also has apartments and plots, but this is probably the cheapest area currently available after the International City. Now once we zoom out, we will go on the Sheikh Zayed Road development. This is Sheikh Zayed Road. The first freehold development is of course the Burj Khalifa and downtown here. After that we go to Marina. We will concentrate on this part now. This is Emirates Hills, Springs, Meadows. These are all the top end villas of Dubai basically in this area. They are just across the road from Palm. This is the Palm, and this is Marina. This is JLT. Now JLT, Sheikh Zayed Road, then you have Marina, and you have JBR. The JBR walk is right here. I will zoom into that. See, these are JLT buildings, these are Marina buildings. Now on Marina, what I wanted to stress was there is a very good connectivity between Marina and JBR. This is JBR. This is the JBR walk across these buildings, and there is also Marina walk along the Marina waters. You know, you can walk all along this. These are the yachts which are parked. You must have seen these yachts here when you visited, and so these are different buildings of Marina. Many of the buildings have good sea view, like if you see the buildings here, they have good sea view. The Hiranandani building is also here. This is the Palm, of course, you are seeing, and this is Internet City, Media City and all that. This is the golf course, Emirates Golf Course. So this area is, I'll just zoom out so you'll get an idea of exactly where we are. This is the major freehold area of Dubai, the prime freehold area. On the Palm, now we'll go to the Palm. On the Palm, there are apartments here on the trunk. These are not very expensive. The ones which are here, these ones, these and these 6 are the expensive ones. They have a good swimming pool in the center, as you can see, and people love this because they want to come here and take a sun bath on these both sides. You know, in these are Marina residences, and this is called Tiara development. So on Palm, that's what is available. The range here I have told you is around 1500 per square feet here. These are around 1000 to 1200 per square feet. On the Marina, you have different buildings at different rates from 800 to 1500. JBR is around 1000 here, and JLT is around 750 to 1100. This is slightly cheaper. This is of course mix of offices and residences. Now, okay, I hope this gives you a rough idea of the different areas of Dubai. Thank you.